Reavers are some of the best looking units in Warhammer. But are they the best investment for a new player? If you saw this coming, you're either lying or touched by the warp, because look at that! Games Workshop's favorite army is now getting its own combat patrol, like how the Imperial Fists and the Salamanders and the Raven Guard did recently. And they got some nice looking new swag to go with it. I mean, look at this. We got a whole bunch of molded pauldrons. Let us remember, Lamenters have none. We got some... Oh, wait. Lamenters have one now. We got some nice looking combat heads. We got some laurels of victory. So these do look pretty nice, not gonna lie. And I bet they'll look good on those new Ultramarines that we have coming on down the pipeline. We have Calgar, we have Cato Sicarius, all of them coming down the pipeline soon. So I would not be surprised if this box comes out the week those units go live. Nice looking new transfers, including some of these Dead Tyrannid ones that came out in a Games Workshop store exclusive offering a while ago. If you participated in some campaign towards the start of 10th edition, you got a sheet full of Dead Tyrannid transfers. Glad to see these are making another return. And the new Combat Patrol, not gonna lie, I'm not overwhelmed, I'm not underwhelmed, I'm just whelmed. Might be an okay purchase if you're a brand new Warhammer player, but I'm not seeing it. So you got a split box of Intercessors and Reavers. That adds up to one full starter box of $62.50. And with the price hikes coming up in a week, who even knows if those prices will stay the same? As well as a box of Aggressors and a box of Blade Guard Vets and Tigerius. Now, Tigerius is a character model staying in at $45. Now, a bunch of the other new character kits are priced in at $52, so it's nice to see that he's staying the same for now. Again, price hikes next week. But let's say you're a Lamenters player and you're trying to figure out if this new box is right for you. An Ultramarines character isn't the way to go unless you're good enough with maybe a file or a little hobby blade, and you can scrape off the molded bits on the knee and the shoulder. Those are molded in there. Those aren't transfers, so you'll have to cut them off or file them off somehow. Now, the article confirms that they are including... Now, the Warhammer community article confirms that the Ultramarines decal box is going to come in the new Ultramarines Combat Patrol box. That was not the case with the Salamanders box and the Imperial Fist box, so that's a nice change of direction. Assuming they price it the same as the Blood Angels and Dark Angels box, I'd expect that Ultramarines transfer box to come in at $35, again, before price hike. Who knows what's going to happen next week? So in theory, if you're an Ultramarines player and you're wanting everything in the box, you don't already have a copy of Tigerius laying around, then at the three total boxes, again, you're getting half a box of Reavers, half a box of Intercessors. So I smushed them together for the same price. Those base units would price in at $187.50. Tigerius by himself, $45. The transfers, $35. The total retail value of those models would come in at $267.50. If they sell at $170, like all the other 10th edition Combat Patrols, then that comes in at a net savings of 36.45%. That's pretty nice. If you're a brand new player, I don't know that I'd recommend that you get this box, because Reavers, I think, are a hard sell for 10th edition in general, even though they are some of the coolest looking units out there. But a 36% savings is something I can see myself going for if I didn't already have one of those units. Now, let's say you're a new Lamenters player, or even a player of another faction, and you say, I can get by with converting Tigerius into just a generic librarian. I'm not going to use the transfers at all, or I'm confident enough I can sell them on eBay. Let's take that out of the equation. Then you're paying, well, then the total value of the box to you would be a 26.8, about a 27% savings, but you'd be paying $267 for it. So is it worth about a 10% less savings if you're a brand new Warhammer player? For sure you're not playing Ultramarines, but you want that box anyway. I'd stay away from it. Maybe I'd go for the Imperial Fist or Salamander's box because they're not going to have the transfers, so that savings is passed on to you a little bit more, a little bit better. But I don't know, what do you think? Would you buy this box if you were a new Warhammer player? What about if you were an Ultramarines player? Let me know down below. What do you think of all these new Space Marine Combat Patrols in general? Are you worried about the price hikes next week? Feel free to comment down below, like, share, subscribe, and if you liked this video, Mr. YouTube thinks that you'll like this one over here in the corner. Hope you all have a fantastic day. Adios, broski. Bye.